Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well today. I am in my car. I'm on my way to a park and I decided to do something different today because I was in my house basically most of the week and decided to get out of the house. And so I'm gonna go to like a little wildlife preserve and hopefully capture some different footage for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna take you along with me. Made it here and it's so quiet. I can tell it's so peaceful already. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some footage for you guys and hopefully can reflect how peaceful it is over here. In today's video, I'm wearing two pieces from my collection, Armor of God collection, and I'll link the website down below. Yeah, I'm resting for a break. So I don't know if you saw the clip before, but they were like little tiny crabs and they're bigger holes all over. And I think when I looked into one of the holes, it was like a bigger crab. And so I try not to disturb them. When they hear footsteps, they just scatter around. So I'm like, being gentle and walking around them. But it's so interesting how much of the wildlife is here and how it's preserved and how, there are signs to guide us as we're walking around. So yeah, I am super duper hot. I am sweating. I'm glistening almost. But yeah, I'm like at a little opening right here. and then a little seating area right here to pause, and then I'm gonna continue on my way. So sweaty. I don't know why I get so sweaty, but you know, being out in nature. Oh, there's a butterfly right there. Wait, I don't know if you can see it. Oh my goodness. Let me turn the camera. But yeah, being out in nature, it makes me like very aware of my surroundings, and I'm like super duper cautious as to not disturb too much, because I'm already disturbing their habitat by walking through it, but not disturb it too much, and just being, you know, conscious of my surroundings. Those little holes right there, these holes, there are crabs in those holes. I just saw one go inside of this one as I approached. So he's over there just chilling. Yeah, this is a nice way to really, you know, get out the house and look at nature. And, you know, I really haven't spent that much time like out in nature within the past couple of weeks, so this was a good change of scenery, and I'll definitely do it again. And it was great because oh no, now there's, you know, people coming, but it was great because there wasn't a lot of people when I was here. I think I was the only one on the trail, and we were required to socially distance ourselves if we come within 6 feet of someone. I brought my mask just in case. They said to bring your mask, but I didn't have to wear my mask because there was nobody around. It was just only me. But when I was leaving, that's when I started seeing, you know, more, you know, families and people come. So I came at a good time. So I'm happy with, you know, the time that I spent here, although I'm not too happy with, you know, how much I sweat. But, you know, this was a great, you know, usually when you go to those parks and they said that there's like wildlife, I never usually see any type of wildlife ever. But in this park, I actually did see a lot of wildlife, even though as I approached they, would like go back in their holes or, hid. But I did see some, which was very, very interesting. So when I saw them or saw their habitat, I was super duper cautious as to not disrupt their habitat, or, I will tiptoe around it, or, just slowly move through it. So yeah, I'm happy that I spent it in this manner. I spent it this way. So yeah, as you can see, there's just people walking around, walking behind me. Yeah, because more and more people are starting to come. Did get bit by mosquitoes, but I mean, I usually heal from them. So yeah, so I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.